Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I maintain my braids. In my previous video, I show you how I installed them. If you haven't checked that out, click the link above. Now, it's been about a week and a half since putting these in. I haven't done anything to them really. I just wrap my hair at night. I wear my hair wrapped up the majority of the time, and I'll show you in a clip, the next clip. That's how I wear my hair the majority of the time. I only keep my hair wrapped. If I'm at home, they're like this, but if I go out, it's like that. The only thing that I really did throughout the week is, which was probably every other day, was put a little bit of oil on my edges and throughout my hair and just giving it a little massage, but that was it. I didn't moisturize my hair at all. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and that's what I want to show you guys, my whole moisturizing routine when I have my hair in these braids. So I'm gonna first use my fenugreek spray. It's just fenugreek seeds soaked in some water. And then I'm gonna follow up with my fenugreek oil. This oil consists of fenugreek, castor oil, and sweet almond oil. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I post a new video. Thank you for all of you who've subscribed already, and welcome to all the new subscribers. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started. Enjoy. Okay, so just a quick look before we get started. So as you can see, my ends look a little dry. They're not too bad. Once again, it's been a week and a half since doing my hair, and it doesn't need too much. Sure, I could add a leave-in conditioner or some kind of conditioner to my hair to give it an extra moisture boost, but as of right now, my ends, the way they feel, it doesn't need that. So I'm gonna spray my scalp first. Once I've sprayed all my scalp, I'm just going to give it a little massage. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to mess my hair up. Okay, and now I'm just going to spray my ends. And that's it, I'm just going to work it in. Now that I'm all done doing that, now I'm going to apply my oil. Okay, so to finish off the moisture routine for these braids, I'm going to apply a little bit of gel to the ends, just because they're looking a little fluffy right now. I could leave it like this because I'm just going to wrap my hair anyway, but I just want to see how it looks, and hopefully it'll just give it a nice look at the end. The gel I'm using today is Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Now, I generally use Eco Styler gel anytime I'm finishing off a style, whether it be mini twists, mini braids, anything. But today I opted to use this gel. I just wanted to try something different. And I found that when I used this gel in the past, I found that my hair stayed moisturized a lot longer than as opposed to when I used Eco Styler gel. and I am done. That's it. That's all I do for my moisture routine. Keep it very basic, keep it very simple. The only thing I have left to do now is wrap it with my satin scarf, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.